Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all you are fine. Today we are going to learn about how to install Debian 13 on Ubuntu based data center. Okay, I am using here KVM based virtual machine. This is virtual machine manager. I have already installed KVM. Now I will download Debian ISO. First of all, we are go to Debian website, debian.org, and click download. It's download net install, but we chose DVD based ISO, so click other download. This one. Just click on OK, and it will download within short time. Okay, now we have already downloaded it. Now we will install file, new virtual machine manager, forward. We'll browse it. We have already downloaded this ISO in earlier time. Choose local file, and we select Debian. No issue, we will manage the requirement later. Click forward, and we have 15 gigabyte memory and 12 CPU. We increase it. Forward, we will use for 80 gigabyte, or we can use 100 gigabyte. Click forward, and we name it Debian 13 dot easy dot local. Okay, we already configured the bridge connection. Click customization and finished. Now all are fine. Now we are just install it. Graphical install. Choose language English. Keyboard layout. We want to configure network manually. This is the IP address 192 168.0.20. okay, this is net mask, gateway, name server address, okay, host name, this is root password, okay. Now we will create the partition. I will create manual partition, select the virtual disk, first of all we create swap partition, swap area. Now I will create root partition, mount point root, and uses ext4. Now done setting up the partitions, all are fine, finish, and write change to the disk. It will take time. Okay, no need, no need, no need. We select cinnamon and we can choose web server or SSH server. We will install it later. Okay, continue. (1612) package will be installed in Debian 13. Okay, almost finish the installation, waiting for few steps. Yes, within a short time. Okay, just reboot. Congratulations, installation is complete. username root, this is the password. Okay, this is the default desktop and all necessary things. We have checked the IP configuration. This is IP address. Okay, we can check internet. We can check the internet speed. Okay, this is the installation part. Thanks for watching.